Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new Firestick app that was just released by Amazon called the Fire TV Channels app. Now this application is brand new and will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick 4K, Fire TV Cube, or Fire TV device. In this example, I'm using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max, but this will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick. So guys, to get this new Fire TV Channels app from Amazon, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my device is updated. So I'm going to hover over the settings icon, click My Fire TV, click About, scroll down, and you'll see here, it's funny, as I say that, it is downloading an update in the background. So I'm going to click Install Update. And then guys, I'm just going to wait a few seconds here and I'm going to skip ahead after my device has finished updating. Alright, after my Firestick has finished updating, I'm going to click Check for Updates Quick again. And as you should see here, my device should be up to date with the latest version of Fire OS 7.6. Now it is still checking here, but as you'll see, okay, it says your Fire TV is up to date. So now that I know my Firestick is up to date, I'm going to click the home button on my remote and I'm going to hover over free on the free section of the main menu. And as I scroll down on free, you'll notice this section here called free apps on Fire TV. Now a lot of these applications will probably look familiar to you guys, but this is the new Firestick app just released by Amazon called Fire TV Channels. So I'm going to go ahead and click that to launch it. And just give it a few seconds while the application boots up. And as you'll see right away, we have some great options here all for free. We have live news from various stations, CBS, NBC, Newsmax, Court TV, USA Today, Cheddar News, and just a bunch of great options here all for free. It even has a movies and TV news category, options for sports, highlights, politics, the Hollywood Reporter, so entertainment, even AI. It has a section on AI, pets, viral videos, and just so much more, guys. So I'm going to click the left button on my remote, and you can see the different categories here on the left: news, sports, entertainment, gaming, cooking, travel, and music videos. Now, it may not seem like a lot, but as we've seen, Amazon just continues to add more free content to their Fire TV devices. And guys, this is actually not bad. I've been pretty impressed with this one. Some of the releases that they have I'm not too impressed with, but this one I'm pretty impressed with. I'm not going to actually play any of the channels in this video, but if you do want to go ahead and move this to the front of your apps list, just hold down the home button on your remote, click Apps, and then find the Fire TV Channels app, which is right here for me. I'm going to click the Options button, click Move, and I'm just going to drop it towards the front of my Apps and Channels list. I'm going to click the Home button, and then it should show up here, and here we go. Here is the Fire TV Channels app. So that's it, guys. That is Amazon's new Firestick app called Fire TV Channels. Again, this is Bodie. I appreciate you guys watching this quick video. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.